kaya amane bo abeto dwa na awotwe se krachi ni abamu a uya wonom enya fihia no aduono mienu pe sra ni abamu akuma akora na wo mo chem se sunwane ana chese won posti ye adede to yem na awotwe awie ye atwa mu wo besene konkra pompuni mantem ahyaman ene ne potem wo se wokọ akosra busuafo ne na wofom eno na amane bo ekọ so akire mo se krachi yesi aka wo ba wakoda ne girlfriend ho ene die na ne girlfriend no so se wo no so another boyfriend bi wo baby ena chasa squad bi bete the strong one ani ade a eno ntino arahosam ni nyina awie ye ade se krachi ni soja ni abamu ya wanya mfihia no aduonu mienu no akrabrifo bi ato ahye ne so awo ne nsekan ya ema chese ade cheye no woda esuo mu pa chese wetina nanom ansiedo ensamisi ye etiefo wei ayemoni nsemo ene amema ma no asrafo no so akokeka no pa ewa shama ne mpotem ane beatings wono makọ brom rante ya chese ewa shama ene mpotem ensem ya pimpini akopiemo ewa my Ghana mrahye bedwafie ema ene military command wono makopiemo ede chopper afa mrahye bedwafo som ede ma de hye wo ashama ne mpotem wo se kwani aniema fa so ekro ya de dinkan ankoye na so ne nyina mo no wo my Ghana mrahye bedwafie committee ya chese wono hwe bambo ho nsam so ene defense ene interior committee ya nei wono matra ensam no so pa ya chese wono meso so anwo adwene na chairman ya wada committee no ano eye wono manyafo Kennedy akompreko Japan ebra wono hye modie no akwa wiye no ensam se bi ana chese wode atodwa.
They came out and beat them. I think we all have to admit as human beings that there were excesses and therefore we sympathize with the people of Ashama. At the same time, we also sympathize with the Ghana Armed Forces for our young men taking the law into their own hands to kill one of theirs. But a situation like this, all we can say is that we need peace. We as members of the committee cannot inflame passions by going there to make comments that will annoy a faction. We are not to do that. Our mission is to make sure we have peace in this country. The unfortunate incident that happened, we have all condemned it. And Minister has even apologized on behalf of the military that they admit that they were excesses.
Ormanyafo Kennedy akompreko Japan wakasa na wotiremu anachese ene wonum hye modie ni nyina no wonum kwatena aseso mbebuatan akase emrante na wonum kwato hye soja ni aba mu ano so no wonum anya de anase asrafo no so ekwato hye ahyaman mabunu no so no wonum so anya de da bi na emom no committee ni butai nyina no anise sade asam ne ko ye bia no womogitum se aboro so enoti etuo enkwatwere ba bia twe na fe asomdwe eni hene enoti sade ne wonum etena asian ene aswafo akura wada bambo ho nsem ano wagina asrafo na nemu apachaw se kwani anuama efa so kro ye ankoye no ntino wone santwerofo ekasa de na chese chawpa ena chese wode magana adehye nyina wormanyafo Kennedy Japan wono ena ye chairman edema defense and interior committee ewa my Ghana mrahye bedwafie na aswafo wada bambo ano ewa my Ghana mo wormanyafo Dominic Nitiwul wono so nsem bi eniem.
Incidents like this in the life of the country do happen. We are shaping up a country, and we are going to have some of these incidents, regrettable incidents happening there. But I will still appeal to the people of Ghana to be very respectful of people in uniform. It will help all of us. But we cannot say, I will not say anything until the committee itself and us have gone on Thursday to the place and visited the place to ascertain for ourselves. One of the reasons why we are not going immediately is that investigation is still ongoing. We don't want to compromise whatever investigation that will happen. And that's why we task our colleagues to tone down on the statement so that we can all work together as unison to ensure that this tricky situation is brought under control. We want a peaceful Ghana, that's all.
Yegusua chechire wo maya kakra yenye nyini yedie niema bi se die empase ya sobati bi se die ebetumi asipa na enso no ade ba ko wasa Ghana ni timamu ni bia sha ne so ne se emrante no aya pa wo mo na wo mo sha uniform no ye bambo nti na won mo hom eno nti sabia buru sabia nyando e wase ebuo ene ni die bia wo ho bia na yetumi ade masa emrante no na asasia no empanifo no committee etna ase no erade yadoma ya woda edi animu ena won bo anan akọ asha shaman ene ne mpotemo eno timprempren de wo amanya wo adwe se wono be kasa bebre e de afa wo ye na ekoso e wa shaman ene ne mpotem enam se ensam no ehwehwemu eda so egu akwemo ade ba ko obeka e de ache Ghana fo nyina ne se asomdwe e na Ghana fo nyina